Today we have the 2022 MG4. This vehicle has done just under 18,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our screen we can access our weather, Apple and Android CarPlay, charging, radio and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control. This includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.